science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and I am with some amazing, brilliant young scientists here, and we are about to do the frog dissection. They are super excited. So hang out with us, see how we're gonna dissect this, and see what we're gonna learn.
Frogs breathe through 3 different ways. Through his skin, through his mouth, and through his lungs. Frogs have 4 fingers and 5 toes, and in between the toes, there's webbing. Frogs have an under eyelid that's clear that helps them see underwater. The nictitating membrane.
This thing right here is an ear called the tympanic membrane.
The tongue is attached to the front. The frog catches the fly by putting out its tongue with its forked tongue and grabbing the fly and then shoving it into the back of its throat. That's why the tongue is attached in the front.
We are going to now dissect. So we have 2 layers that we're gonna cut through to find the organs, the skin and then the muscles. So we just cut open into the frog through the skin and the muscle, and we found all of these amazing organs. So let's take a look to see what we can find.
These are the 3 lobes of the liver that help it filter blood. I see egg.
Good.
This is the 3-chambered heart.
Great.
The stomach is made out of muscle because it has to chew up the food.
So now we're gonna cut into the stomach so we can see what's on the inside.
A beetle. What the? That was in its stomach. What the heck? Wow. That is crazy. This is the stomach, this is the small intestines, and this is the large intestines. These are fat bodies.
Wow, science is so amazing. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye-bye.